All right, guys, we got a Honda Accord. This is a 2004 3-liter V6. The same thing as a 3.5. It's all the same. This video, we got a brand new passenger side engine mount right there. Super time built right there, brand new. Because our engine mount right here is all buggered up. It broke in pieces. So told the guy that we need a new one. We're gonna reuse this one right here. And then the belt, I had a belt put in the old one in here because I need to move the vehicle last night. Now it's back in the garage now. This belt is cracked, so that's why we're gonna put a brand new one. So stay tuned, we're gonna do both all in one video. So let's get started. Alright, so first what we're gonna do is gonna take out this old belt. We got a long ratchet right here, strong arm with a 14mm socket. We're just gonna put this socket right here on this idler pulley bolt. Move it forward. Move that belt. And I'm gonna quickly show you guys why we're changing this, because right there's a crack right there. And there's a short one right there. So this thing is about to go maybe in the next couple of months or so, but the owner of this vehicle, they are traveling this weekend coming up. It's a long weekend, so he want me to check everything, make sure it's safe and solid and nothing that is gonna break them down on the road. We got a brand new belt right here. Make sure double check, make sure it's the right one. Put them side by side, make sure it's the same length, it's about right. Alright, the way I put my belt, every belt in the engine, I like to put the number facing outward, not towards the engine. I don't know, just the way how I am, I guess. That's same thing with timing belt, the names is facing outside. So let's start with the crank pulley back there. Alright, so this is tough right here with one hand. So I route the belt already. So you go around underneath the crank pulley, and then you go underneath the AC at the front, all around, up and over. And then after that, you go underneath the tensioner pulley right there. Underneath, go around, over, and then you go up to the front, going around to the alternator pulley, up and over. Now you're up here now to the top, up on the power steering pump. This is the last piece that we're gonna hook it, but after the power steering pump, the belt has to go around the idler smooth pulley and down to the crank. Okay, so have it set up like this, and then we're gonna hook it over at the end with our 14mm socket. We're gonna take a tension off of that tensioner. All right, here we go. Long bar ratchet with a 14mm socket goes right here. Move it all the way to the back and get that belt over the pulley of the power steering like that. Double check before you let go of the bar. Make sure it's nice and seated right. There we go. Double check, make sure the belt sits right on the groove of each of those pulleys. Alternator, AC, and crank bolt and crank pulleys. Too smooth one is fine. It looks good. They will adjust automatically when this engine spin. All right, so let's do a quick startup. Make sure it's running smooth. All right, guys, it looks nice. Looks good. Quiet. No vibration. Very smooth. All right, well, let's turn off the engine. Let's put this mount back in right there, and then let's